Hi, I'm Nathan Scrovey here at Sullivan's, and I'm thrilled to present Winterberry. Winterberry is really a decorator Christmas. It has lots of elements of natural trees and ornaments and things that all blend in and bring in that nature to a beautiful Christmas theme. So you see up here on the wall, these are some of my favorites. These are our exclusive artwork to Sullivan's. It's actually layered trees that are printed on handmade paper, which makes beautiful wall decor framed out in black, which is very relevant in today's modern homes. The lanterns here, the same thing, where that illustration of that tree image is put onto the lanterns and then illuminated from inside with a flameless candle, which gives you lots of really unique color and texture. Tree sets, other wall decor that brings in some of the text for the holiday season, which is nice. Then we repeat that into the ornaments, and you can see the ornaments in the tree where you've got the glass stars, which are really fun, where the pattern's layered on the front and then also on the back. Snowflakes, and then that beautiful, gorgeous ribbon just cascading down through the tree. The lacquered deer sets here are really, really cute. Also this little tree with the deer, this is like an enamel on top of a mango wood, which is really kind of a really nice texture and a play on finishes. And then of course our Santa Clauses, our exclusive Santa Claus there with the snowflakes trimmed out with this little bit of gold gilding, which really adds a unique element to that. And then, you know, tree sets and large trees and all of our PVC and bottle brush trees really give the theme really complex, beautiful finishes for the holiday season. And that is Winterberry.